remember how latex smells. Oh my god. Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to be doing some kind of spoopy makeup. The things that you're going to need today are a little bit of fake blood. This is the other kind of blood that you're going to be needing. It kind of looks like this. It's really jelly-like, if you will. And then you'll be needing a little bit of liquid latex, and you're gonna need some cotton balls. All right, so what we're gonna do is we are going to decide where we want to put the cotton. What do I want to do? So what you wanna do first is you want to unravel your cotton ball, like so. And then you want to kind of split it down the middle, like that. Cool. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm going to do the thing where your eyes look kind of pulled down, and then I'm gonna do a cut around my neck. So let's go ahead and get our hair out of the way. Take a cheap brush that you don't normally use, and we're just going to paint that on. Alright, great. So now we're going to put the cotton on our neck like that. Cool. And now what you're gonna do is you're gonna latex the edges down a little bit. So alright, so now that we have that done, we're gonna go ahead and kind of split this in the middle. And pull it out like that. Perfect. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna turn this into skin color. So for that, you're just gonna get your regular foundation, a foundation brush, or a beauty blender. So you're just gonna cover up the parts that you want to be skin colored. Alright, so now that we have that looking skin-like, we're going to go ahead and start doing the dark spots where you want it to have the most pigment. So for that, we're going to take just any black eyeshadow. I'm just going to use this one right here. And we are going to go underneath a few of these spots. Easy. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is we are gonna take our scab blood and we are just going to go in those dark spots and put some scabby blood. So we're gonna use this one here. All right, so now that we've done that, we're just going to take our runny blood and we're just gonna kind of go in and darken those spots up. Ta-da! Super easy, super simple makeup. You can do this pretty much with anything that you have laying around. I mean, it could be better, but you know, for the sake of the video, this is what we're doing. So, I hope you guys like this. So, as you can see, I did put my contacts in. I thought I was recording, but I guess not. I went ahead and did my entire neck, and now I did the underneath of my eyes. All I did was take a little bit of latex and a brush and kind of just drew it on the spots that I wanted it to peel. And I did 3 layers on each one. So you let the first layer dry down, then you apply the second layer, let that dry down, and then apply the third layer. So I did that, so now we're gonna go ahead and start peeling. So I want to create a dragging effect for my eye. So I'm just going to peel everything in half and it's going to mimic skin. So you just kind of start peeling like that. And just a fair warning to you, latex does kind of hurt. Ooh, I like that. That looks cool. Okay, so now what we're gonna do, same thing with the black eyeshadow. We're just gonna go underneath the sides of the skin there, and we're just going to kind of darken everything up. Okay, and another thing is your shadow does not have to be perfect. This is not like a glam look by any means. This is supposed to be scary, so you don't have to do it perfect. And feel free to tweak it however you want. Again, there's no right or wrong way to do this. It is whatever you see fit. Okay, so moving right along, we're gonna go back in with our thick blood and we're just gonna add a few different spots. Perfect. Cool. And then the last step is we're going to go back in with our drippy blood and we're just going to accentuate. Nailed it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope it was simple for you. If you did, go ahead and smash the thumbs up button, leave me a comment down below, and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.